Hey guys, today I'll be making cream chicken. First you will need chicken fillet in strips, green bell pepper and onion. You can also use red or yellow. Some oil, black pepper, salt or adobo seasonal, and cooking cream. You want to add the chicken strips to a hot pan. Leave this cook for about 2 minutes. Add the seasoned oil or the salt and the black pepper. Then you mix this. After most of the liquid has evaporated, you add a little oil. And your onions and bell peppers. Cook this for about a minute or two, and then you add your cooking cream. After adding your cooking cream, you mix and you leave cook for another 2 minutes. Voila! Cream chicken. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel for more videos.